What is up, YouTube? How's it going in the crypto community today? As always, it's been an eventful day, especially if you're a Dogecoin holder, but I'll get into that in a minute. So, just looking at a total overview, total volume is pretty good. The market cap's $2.34 trillion, up almost 2.5% in the past day. And guys, I bet you can probably guess why, which I think a lot of it was partially from Dogecoin continuing to pump again, and we started to see kind of a recovery from Bitcoin because it started to drop a little bit. But the total 24-hour volume, 415 billion, and the dominance is still looking about the same. Bitcoin, Ethereum, then BNB at 51, 12, and 4, respectively. So Bitcoin is actually managed to stay above the 60, just barely over the 60,000 for the majority of the day. Obviously, Bitcoin is still reigning supreme right now, followed by Ethereum, which, I really thought it was going to be closer to $3,000 per ETH right now, ETH right now, but oh well. It's barely green today, going right down. XRP, interestingly enough, in the past day, it's unfortunately down 4.20%. Not the worst performing coin today, which we'll see. And honestly, 1.63 is still pretty healthy for XRP, so I'm not complaining. Let's see, this is one that I just want to touch on briefly. Dogecoin. Look at this chart today. I gave a little bit of a warning yesterday about how it'll probably go a little bit higher, and it did. And now, a lot of you guys out there are probably experiencing your first correction in the market. And honestly, if these are coins that you think has like a long-term future of staying relevant in crypto, because I don't think crypto is really going anywhere, but some of the coins might fall out of relevancy. So if you think Dogecoin's going to keep going longer, it might be a good idea to buy at the low. The motto really is buy low and only sell high if you want to take profit at that point. That's my opinion on Dogecoin. It's still kind of more of a risky investment in terms of coins, considering it has like an uncapped supply, which if you think market cap and market supply plays into price fundamentals, then it seems logical, in my opinion. That's all I'm going to say. So Litecoin's doing pretty well, actually green today. What was this? In the past day, I think it finally broke over the 300 point, which I think yesterday or the day before I said this, I could see Litecoin joining the ranks of Ethereum eventually. Chainlink also, up almost 5% today. So actually another green day for the Link Marines. But you can see there's kind of this almost hard rejection at 44. And to be honest, if Dogecoin didn't have an impact on the market in the past 24 hours, I really think Chainlink would have went past 44. But still, that's pretty healthy growth in my opinion for a coin. XLM, I was kind of disappointed today. It is barely green at 1.4% green. However, I thought this consolidation phase was going to lead to this consolidation phase and then a big jump up, but we had this dip right here, which was like right around Dogecoin peaking. You'll see that a lot if you're looking at charts today. Right in the morning of today, when Dogecoin hit 41 cents or something like that, a lot of altcoins and Bitcoin even dumped a little bit at that point. It's pretty impressive how much of the volume today and yesterday went into Dogecoin. Another thing I wanted to mention, or is noteworthy, there's at one point today where I think Dogecoin almost passed XRP in ranking in terms of like the market cap, which is like the supply times the total number of coins, something like that. It was, I don't know how this app ranks them, but it was definitely flipping a couple altcoins, which is pretty insane with how quickly that came up. There was one other coin that I wanted to talk about briefly, which I didn't get exposed too much to the Graphcoin. I saw it get listed on Coinbase recently, and it's actually a really new coin relatively. So you can see it was launched somewhere, or at least listed sometime this December of 2020, and still has really good growth. It has that like 45-degree angle growth, which for coins and stocks, it's like pretty healthy appreciation of the price. So if you look at like the past month, it had a dip, but it's slightly over 2.18 cents, and the all-time high is 2.84. I didn't get too much into what Graph was, but it looks like it's indexing protocol and global API for organizing Bitcoin data and making it easily accessible with GraphQL. So it looks pretty useful in publishing public data and querying the data, which is pretty cool. And honestly, if you've had Graph anytime in the past 6 months, you've made a pretty good amount of money. So that's like a 10x or 20x. So that was kind of the market today. Like I said, I really hope Bitcoin stays stable and keeps the other alts up. But Dogecoin, man, just really came in and twisted everything in the past week. So check out some of my other videos. I try to upload daily. If you like this video, throw a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.